how to buy Duolingo OWL token. So this token came under the symbol of Geo. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available right now on the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 14,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 98%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token is trending number 1 right now on Solana section index screener. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token, it's under this Solana network. Now open your French wallet for that. I will just log into my wallet first. Now, after that, what you need to do, click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet first. And after that, click here and place the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy, as you can see. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most issues, as you know, came from the slippage. Now, after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Geo token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.